Turkey has officially launched serial production of its next-generation unmanned combat aerial vehicle, the KIZILELMA, marking a huge leap in the country's defense technology. Developed by Baykar Makina, this cutting-edge UCAV is designed to perform a wide range of combat missions, setting new standards for modern warfare. The KIZILELMA is not just another drone. It is a high-performance combat system, capable of carrying up to 1.5 tons of payload, including precision-guided munitions and air-to-ground bombs. With a maximum takeoff weight of 8.5 tons, it combines heavy ordnance capabilities with impressive speed and agility. The UCAV can reach speeds of up to 0.9 Mach, around 1,100 km per hour, allowing it to strike targets swiftly and avoid enemy defenses. Its cruise speed of 0.6 Mach ensures it can also carry out long-range surveillance and reconnaissance missions with efficiency. With a combat radius of 500 nautical miles, or roughly 926 kilometers, the KIZILELMA can engage targets deep within enemy territory, making it an invaluable tool for strategic operations. Its endurance of over 4 hours allows it to remain operational for extended missions, covering large areas of conflict zones. One of the standout features of the KIZILELMA is its advanced autonomy. Capable of automated takeoff, flight, and landing, the UCAV operates with minimal human intervention, making it ideal for high-risk combat zones. It's equipped with sophisticated sensors, including electro-optical/infrared cameras and radar, which enable precise targeting and surveillance, even in challenging weather conditions. The KIZILELMA can reach altitudes of up to 25,000 feet, putting it on par with manned fighter jets in terms of operational range. This high-altitude capability makes it an excellent asset for controlling air superiority during combat missions. As Turkey continues to deepen its defense ties with countries in the Middle East, Africa, and Central Asia, the KIZILELMA is poised to play a key role in enhancing regional security and military capabilities. The introduction of such advanced unmanned combat systems is reshaping the way nations approach defense, offering a more cost-effective alternative to traditional manned aircraft, while reducing the risk to human life. With its combination of cutting-edge technology, high payload capacity, supersonic speed, and impressive endurance, the KIZILELMA is set to revolutionize air combat. Turkey's continued growth in the global defense market is highlighted by the KIZILELMA, which will undoubtedly play a pivotal role in modern warfare for years to come.